core strengthening workout tool for ab rollout exercises. Used properly, the device can help strengthen abs, core, and more. Handles on either side of the smooth rolling wheel offer a secure, ergonomic grip for enhanced results. Durably constructed using polypropylene plastic, PP, and thermoplastic rubber, TPR. Suitable for both beginners and advanced users, sleek black color for easy coordinating with other workout gear. Measures 13.3 by 7.6 by 7.6 inches, assembled, weighs 2.1 pounds, backed by an Amazon Basics 1-year limited warranty. Amazon Basics Abdominal and Core Exercise Workout Roller Wheel 13 by 8 by 8 inches, black. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, solid, does the job. Give bit a try. Finally bit the bullet and bought one of these little guys. Like everyone during the time of COVID, I've migrated to at-home workouts. Overall, I have been able to maintain my fitness level, but feel the core has taken a hit. I've been holding out on buying any more gym equipment, but thought this may be worth the addition. For the price point, this is a very reasonable piece of equipment. It is much heavier and bulkier than the cheaper versions also commonly found. For that reason, it takes up slightly more space than I want, and the weight makes it less likely I will disassemble and use it for travel. Assembly was straightforward and easy. The handles required a little extra effort, but once in, snapped into place, giving confidence it is secure. The handles are ergonomic friendly, with a nice curve and wide grip. It is made using this user-friendly and comfortable. Comfortable equipment increases the likelihood this will continue to be used and possibly longer in duration than otherwise would be. The wheel is fairly wide and therefore I feel very stable using it. Have tried using this on slight turns and angles to work the obliques. The thicker wheel and handle has allowed me to focus on the exercise. Also tried using it from the standing position instead of the knees. Even with the full weight load of my body, handle still felt comfortable, although failed at completing the full rollout. I got to about 70 to 80% to the full rollout.